Hey folks, welcome back to Kombucha Library TV, aka The Journey TM. I'm your host, Tim Zahavich. Zahavich. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lightning Show. Show where we take a lot of good ideas and turn them into bad ideas right in front of your eyes. So here is the premise of today's episode. I'm going to drink some kombucha that I've made myself, Kombucha, Timbucha, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to give you a little bit of a review of how that went. What do you think of that, folks? Great, I'm glad you enjoy it. All right, first order of business, splash guard. Never leave home without it. You always need a splash guard. It's important. Here we go. Oh, mama. Good thing we had the splash guard. Whew. This is like an effervescence population over here. That was a bullet. This blueberry lavender really has a life of its own. Look at all of that effervescence. Wow. Okay, so, smells delicious. Smells really, really nice. Blueberry lavender. I think it's organic. It's microfinance. Yeah, it's microfinance. Smells really, really good. Oh. I don't really like how lavender tastes, as it turns out. It smells nice, but it makes this taste not that fantastic. The blueberry is very strong, great blueberry flavor. It's still bubbling. It's like an ASMR video over here, like holding your ear up to a seashell. I can hear it, I like that. Get a load of that. Lavender is supposed to help you relax and chill you out. It doesn't taste great. It smells nice though. Overall, it's perfect. There's literally nothing I would ever change about this ever, not once for 1 second. I wish I didn't put lavender in. This has been The Journey TM. Tune in next time. Same Booch time, same Booch channel. See ya.